Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix ChatGPT not working in your country. Now in order to fix ChatGPT not available in your country, you just have to change your number and add a US number in ChatGPT. Now to do this, go to your browser on your cell phone. Now type US number generator. Here we are going to find a couple of number generators. Now let me look for a good one. Or you can just try US number generator with SMS, because you will need to verify your number. Now once you're on the search result, you will see a lot of websites providing these services. Just tap on any of them and you will receive a message from ChatGPT and you can confirm your identification. Easy, right? If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.